Blood. It's all about our blood. It is a key element of Christianity. It's what gives and sustains life. The fuel that energizes our brain and powers our muscles. And there are many organisms that want to share the 5 liters, 1.2 gallons of it, sometimes with nasty consequences. When I was interested in writing about leeches, I ordered some from a British company that sold them to hospitals. One day I was surprised to receive a small box labeled live animals, and it contained not 1 but 13 leeches, a baker's dozen. I kept them in a large glass jar next to my desk, but was unable to get them to attach to my arm. A few years ago, the Royal Ontario Museum put on an exhibit that featured leeches plus a variety of other bloodsuckers, from the fictional Dracula and Nosferatu vampire to the horrifying blood-sucking bats and nasty bed bugs and ticks that bite or burrow through our skin and sometimes inadvertently deposit bacterial and viral pathogens that can wreak havoc on our health and lives. The list of bloodsuckers is a big one and includes fleas, mosquitoes, ticks, and leeches. Mosquitoes can be particularly bothersome because we can develop irritations to the piercing of our skin and the anticoagulants that they deposit to help our blood flow into their guts. Incidentally, the sting only comes from female mosquitoes who need the blood meal to help their young develop. Along with the skin irritation and inflammation comes a host of diseases that can disable and even kill us, ranging from dengue fever, malaria, West Nile, Zika, bird flu viruses, and they have even been blamed for having a part in spreading the plagues. One wonders if they are good for anything in the ecosystem. Leeches come in many forms and are found all over the world in freshwater ponds. Historically, some strains have been used and developed to be applied for medical purposes. At one time, it was believed that attaching leeches to the body could help to remove ill-defined sicknesses, or what was then called humors. Apparently, sometimes the practitioners went too far and attached too many leeches and drained an excess of blood. Ticks can transmit Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and other serious illnesses. If left untreated, these diseases can cause severe health issues and potentially be fatal. Head lice can drive adults crazy when their children get those nits, and they have to spend hours treating the scalp and combing out their children's hair. Fleas are known for spreading the plague, which historically caused millions of deaths. While modern medicine has reduced the risk, plague outbreaks still occur in some parts of the world. Vampire bats can transmit rabies, a deadly virus if not treated promptly. Rabies affects the central nervous system and can be fatal once symptoms appear. While bed bugs are not known to transmit diseases, their bites can cause severe allergic reactions in some individuals, leading to complications. When I first came to Toronto, I stayed in a hotel and soon discovered that the bed was so infested with the bugs. I packed my bags and left promptly. Fortunately, I did not pack any bed bugs with me. Body lice can spread diseases like typhus, and French fever, which can be fatal if not treated. Although long, this list is limited and does not include parasites like tapeworm that might make a home in our guts. Fortunately, most of us will survive in spite of these threats to our health and well-being.